Hello students, in this video we will discuss about measures of central tendency. Already in the previous video we have discussed what is the central tendency. Central tendency is the branch of statistics in which we will study about mean, median and mode. Now in this video we will take first central tendency, that means mean. What is the mean? Now we will try here understand the mean. Another name of the mean is average or arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. AM. This is known as arithmetic mean or average also, or average. What is meaning of mean, arithmetic mean or average? If we want to find the mean of any given data, then first we should be adding the all type of data, means total number of total data, and then divided by number of data. That means sum of total observation divided by number of observation. That means mean is nothing. Mean, and this is the represented by x bar. Read as x bar. Mean equal to sum of observations. Sum of observations whole upon number of observations. Number of observations. Let there are some observations x1, x2, x3 dash up to xn are given. These are the observations. Let observations x1, x2, x3 up to xn are given. Then its mean will be x bar equal to x1 plus x2 plus xn up to xn whole upon how many number of observations, as you see here 1, 2, 3 up to n. That means total number of observation is n. So this result is known as mean of these observations. Now we can write this in the form of another form mathematically. X bar equal to summation, this sign, this is the sign I like only tip to remember, horizontal shape of capital M. This sign read as summation or sigma. I equal to 1 to n xi whole upon n, where n is the number of observation, and if we take I equal to 1, then this will be x1, I equal to 2, this will be x2, I equal to 3, then this will be x3, and if I equal to 1 n, then this will be xn. And summation, meaning of summation or sigma is addition. That means if we add the whole observation, this is give the x1 plus x2 up to n xn and divided by n. This is the formula for finding the mean of observation, mean of given observation. Now next important formula for finding the mean when given data in the form of x and f, where x means observations and f means frequency. Then mean equal to mean x bar right here, when data given in the form of observations with its frequencies. Then x bar equal to summation I equal to 1 to n fi xi whole upon sigma fi. This is the next formula for finding the mean of given observations. But if observations given in the group data, then we can find the mean of that data with the help of this formula. But in that question, there is no given directly x. Observation given in the group data as a like class interval, then we should be first find the x. How to find x? That means here x is known as class marks. Since class mark equal to class mark x equal to upper lower limit plus upper limit whole upon 2, that means midpoint of group data. This first find the x from that group data and frequency is already given. Then we can find the x bar with the help of this formula, summation I equal to 1 to n fi into xi whole upon sigma f. This will be for group data, with frequency. Now every student should be clear. In the 9th class syllabus, there are only 3 types of the question asked related to the mean. Now in the next video, we will take next central tendency, that means median.